Kublai pi baro pi pe gari khasi channel. Yuan raja pi ko thup khubor jo kani Taiew menta. Ki phang ki bakong san. Hadin in your post name on your an bat kendo bapura ki pa khasi. Onra u president ke NPP ha parliament ya ka jingkhang doyong ha jila Meghalaya. Kular ka sarkar ban pinsange no ya ka jingthmu banwan ra ya ka casino ha Khubor district. Ra lamayong kinohi ka school Pine Mount bomsngap ka sarkar ya kijinge. Khat pratali ki trok doyong high level camp ka hito. Rakhi ka sarkar ya speaker pangi kinohi kai. Lapalat pat ba ikakot kabay de badu puru sam ka jila Meghalaya. Bad kibay de ki Khubor. Ina paibantash ki Khubor banya. Ka kunhun jong ka briu hinyo trap mana ka khandai trip mentau banai nai lur arhajar arpuar kalale bantur shai ki benta balong ka dorbar jong ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly ban abe ka kaipot halor ka jingsha set yap uba cherish to feel thank you.
Khubor na ki khat na sa briu trap kan thobru ikin khat na seng balang ha ka bakil tur spo assembly na marmenta kasngi u menteri rang ba jong ka jela u konrat kesang ma ulwan ra ya ka report ha ka badai bakajing toket jong unong sar justice bi vai pai hakari boy sat yap jong ba cherish kalkum kan ka report ka balawan ra do menteri rang ba ka jela mata kasngi po yung darbar ala ba hakani ka report la penjalut ya baro ki kerteng jong ki pulit lani ki tu ki balai ai sakhi halor ka jagan ka jing toket lani ka commission of inquiry brakhi da u justice bi vai pai haka susu kan ka report ka labatairu bakla pengkesan ka jingle jong ki pulit haka bri ba ka jelai thanra ya ba cherish terfi thank you amar ki jing toket lani ki bos sentiat jong ki pulit ki lalap ba urekti haka jong thaibam id akhiriat nata halai phra bat hakui kui de ki jaga kawai ba ki lalap bat ki lathmu bani kami u ka dai mar ba ki le jing tip ka basai ba u thmu ban thaibam ani ka channel si ka thmu thaibam ha khnai la haka khanai tarik jong ubnai naila kasam arja hoi kata kasni ka ba uba selfie ura syasat yap kit khot jong ka sabri nyutam de kedana po khodop barki ap manyo kopi ya kan ya ka report
no need to inform you come along come wait please wait
We want justice! 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 Down, down! Down!
Hadirin ba ka sarkar kala pelat paj ba ka kaipot halor ka jingsha siat yap uba cherish ka sur ka briu hinyo trap kala penpau ka jingbam hun ya kani ka kaipot habai kran bikla bathai Khubor kino yalam kani ka kenhun kila penpau ka jingdom da ka baong ba kani ka sarkar ka de ka sarkar ka bakrup ikinong le ikambi an bar ka bale ben pat ikiwe kibade banyo yala ka hok kumi kino hikai bar kiwe de kila penpau ru bana kalian ka kenhun kinsa syang perkhat baban simpat dikiwe kirai kumno banyach khaman
ngi nang leng jong asu pe new trap la kip ni penkan mau nado ba NCMT leng ba ka commission mekla human right commission kadai leng ba ka jiya manjur lang ba kayen ni sehon hajisha ngi dawada ka wei kucha ban pocket ni ka kalon releng ba ka jiya manjur lang kayen ngila ya manjur bat bala kri da justice di pai de mentahi ko bolong ini ab yang lambat ka ini rekat pertiin ko bang laong ado ka sin merikong bagi rekat pertiin tementar ini rekat pertiin henry nasuka ban lupa kirai ki bakam ngin sa siam pandang la syong ha ka bidding ka jong ni bat lesi bisai kei ka ba ngin sa le persya yang ka sarkar ka ba kudup lesi kinong priya breu bat penstom yaki ko ba pilai imba yakino hikai ki badawai ka penstom na pa syong surah ya kita midday meal pat kum terter tengi kumbangi on nado peningkong ba ni pendram ni ka sarkar MDA tingin mo ban len pek kumanda segi rumah u konrat uang ba kan sakol explanation hana havide berkedika jiksha peniam call explanation ni tikulit. Habalan tip bagi tikulit penyap. Boleh man call explanation dia iki. Haji syal ada mensusim kam ada lagi iki. Herem dah haban call explanation dia iki. Kani kalau thamulah ni kam kai. Dia nak liang jongi, idawa bagi ke fast track court kedepan ya, kedepan sim kam no. Padahal kejuk Khubor. Kani ingi subah bakadon ke air ka conspiracy. Dan ni kajian selah buat apa yang jogi di kabinet rang. Dari tegi minister. Nama ingi dan kenal hak tu Khubor. When ki minister will step down. Herai let's say within an hour. Let's say lapan ulas kiung yang hata kat. Kani kadon ke air ka ba nak liang jongi hi kub ka sur berinyo trap ngimla pedang dalile ru em.
Tengok semua penong kani dei ke install ba kilap pendam lot ya ki kerteng jong ki pulet ki kerteng jong ki witness hadin bala xerox. But ngias ngau kani ka report kadon kumpa arpu prapiat sei. But kani ka report kamlong ka basai ni tu iki. Kamlong ka basai but kapan kesan ru mo kat kumpa lakren naki press naki media lapan kesan ru ba kisiat lamar ba ulatur hi hak tu kamit mo. Kendiat mga yos mo mene na kinongkran ba kiong ba ya kani report la siap lapan kesan ba kipulet kisiat lamar ba tu ba sieh na ba ulatur hi tu kamit ba kiong ba kimtip ba udai mu adien ba dalam pelepat ya kalat kin salap ba dei uba siris ubala kulon yap mo dengan sobo no ni kapor ba mensua baro pilaya sngo mo ya ka witness na kaliang ka yin kesen ka witness na kaliang ki kun kiti bat menta kani report mundon de kata ka witness mundon la pendam no tingi na kaliang ngajungi ngi kwa ken mo bang kwa ba kata ka inquiry ikwa ka honesty inquiry mo kani ka report kalong unsatisfactory not factual mo nrei la tampo pat ya kani ka report tengok sano bonong kani ka por kamunta desi ka jingle jong kani ka government lesi kibri kijungi kipatba kijungi kila sedang penting fi kila sedang penting la sedang ban do confidence ya kani ka sokar MDA padahal kani ka poru ngasuban penken mau kat uwa jamal kasam we na kile no patrim ha mo ula ngatai biya kan mau hi mo katu ka jingja po katat kila rung kila siat kila penyap kibri kipatba nrei kat ka sokar dia kadang kem yu mo dipulet kidang kem yu kidang don kata ka inquiry but kasim daki snem makin rai penrem makin rai penyap tu nrei hang ni apo ka jilla ka jungi ki kaan kala sim hi ti la jong mo kala le don bor kam sim interrogate nrei na sudah surung ba siap
Paralog MLE ki badan hang ni nginam la ban len nadu bangi pha soi iaitu ka sikidisyo campaign ki jongi kila don ki ba ong bang ngin sorry sikini ki issue tinggal kwa ban ong ban kerensyai bakum ga jaj ban riu ngilangnya laning ngilat han ban yo sngo ya ka jingle don bor dong thombor jong ki briu jong ga an ngi I balada le ubriu u lesi uken hun seng balang sho lane takti ya unong we nong ar ubale ni kikam kiba hakim lang salang de kilek no ki kem mardor ki pengat ki section but lakem la set la dam dei lai benai nru benai de kisnam la kem iki henry mentang ngilalap pelen ba katkum kedika inquiry lalap ba udon uta unong peniap yau bala white ing no hang ni ka report tingi ngi ong ba habo phira kem ya kita ki no ilam seng balang pilai kem yu breu ubadan kiti ban syok bandat ya ki barjelar ni tang ban sibat barjelar la syakem gini langsung malang dekat notam le yakini kinong peniam tingi na le jongi ngi don kata kaji artetin ya kini ke MDE government ngi suthu balada kale kumde hakwi kesgi ngatrai ba kanom salia ban sim ro ya kajing em kajongi kum ki leaders hapo kasubri new trap lani ki par ki leader jogi NGO
Kipat Khasi Khara hadin hinyo post nam lingba ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council kinsa yo no ya ka an ka bapura bat kini ka an ka bai de bat ka kam bat khando
ya kan ni le thu do ba titos khain ubalong u chief executive member jong ka HADC ba titos ka jalang bak do Khubor le thu ba u lat ka jala ula ai ka jing menjur ban penlong ai no ya kan di ka anjo ka balon ra de ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Habai tu kami dah ahlokan ni, batu kita suluh ang balon bagan dekai, on itu no ya kikot kendo balam menjur dekat sekonsel, leng bakis ia makam juru kirang bak senong. ka jok pol thuru ba lembaga ne ka an ki pai ba ki bedok besuk kendon la ka jok jaka ha ka ba kila bas na yis na sam nal gini ki don pat ki ba ki kendon ya ka ba ka disuk sel ka sasna ya kini ki kendon
kan pau ya ka jing so komen na ka liang jok isi bat liang jok council hi barok away ba ya ka ni ka Khasihil Autonomous District Regulation and Administration of Land Bill 2021 ba nakaliang jong governor ula ay ka asen pat menin gas ni nakaliang jong ka DCA kila pharu siya po ka printing press ng government man print ni ka at ka bill ka juni ba kalong ka bill ka ban sa jing kan mau ha ka history jong ka council namar hadian new post nem ba ngiyo ya kan ka land bill hoy kidon ki isi ki bala persyang ki por ki bala dap andrei ngim somla man pen urlok dengan dokumen ba nakaliang jong kani ka isi ke bamenta apo ke cingelam ke conga bat rengkat ke trelang jong ki em bat ki MDC bar ni lala ban pen urlong ngani wat hadin bangila pas ka na du senam araja atue hadin bangila penbet penbiang ba mentau senam ilala ban yo ya ka jing menjur jong ulat bat sien kenika bill hadin bala publish ka po gazette min sa snai ki rule kat kum ka ba dei biang bat ka jing pentrikam jong kenika bill bat sien on salah bat pentrikam baro uput usam jong ka Autonomous District Council ke jongi kasi Autonomous District Council kumban subatay lengkot kumba piatip babaro ngiong baga kandaw ka siap kahap apo uput usam jong ke District Council ni keren bahai kata dan mereka basusi pat kalong bahadu menta ngindon ya kata ka an apo District Council bangin don ya kata ka bor kaba kan long kumbalong menta hadir mengilayo ya kani kabel hoy ngi jule ya ka land records hang ni apo council henry kini ki land record certificate ki bangi ai mangi ya ki breo lani ki nu ki ba apply ka land records kam long legal lani wat ki bank lani ki nu ki institution kim pedang ya kini ki documents ki bangi ai mangi henry menta pat hadir ka jingyo ka jungi ya kani kabel mentah barok ki land documents ya kabakat kum kani kabel ngila aibor nadu ya kakur nadu ya ki rambak snong nadu us kila ban ai ya kanugono ka kot pen scam lani ka land documents ya kaban itu da kanugono ka institution lani na kanuno ka bank but kinuno ki bor sarkar kinha ban itu mentah ya kani ka land documents kabangin ai ni kani ka way ka shipment kaban yarap ya ki pat ba nang ba kim light mo na ki jing ki ba ki re kendu ha ki snap ki baladap namar ki bubun ki jing tho dulir ki jing tho kot tho sla ki snong ki thawru kalau ra sibun ka kendrung keram namar ba kam dan karukom ka ba yahap ha ka ba ai gini ki documents dan ki dulir nrei nado menta kini ki dulir kiban ai da kisnong ki thau da kirang ba snong da kikur kamut kin hap ru ban summit hapo ka council ka jongi thanang ba ngiru hang ni nginbu record kamut kanun ka dulir ka ba ai na ka snong hang ni kamut ka record hangiru ka de bandon ba ka jing perskam nang ngiru ka de bandon
Kidak kishin jong kaching pen ikam san benai shrab and longer election MLA kilas dang ban pau hakeleng ki jaka jong kala jila Meghalaya kamtam ki kam ki bala penya da ki seng san perthei ki badan hakaliang senchar
ya kanila sakhi habala play ya ka maurang kanang si da umati yang ba ka jala ukon da sangma kai ka bala sakhi na kanina ka jeng penibola ni ka jeng penikam da ka sang MPP ka long ba ka ni ka jeng play ya kan ka si na donang ru umati rang ba sembut bodi we meli jong ka MPP ba Preston Tensong uwe pat uwe meli jong ka MPP ubolong ru umati jong ka James ke sangma MLA jong anong ston beri MLA jong NPP uba mak menan bersat pat kumjur MLA jong NPP ne pak mon kreng uba penyai sing sim keni gede ka caka sumar ka baki pai ba kaslam kila angnut makan tiu caka kadan ka bakham yang ka caka sumar kani ka cekpi ya kani ka caka sumar ukon rak sangma ula peliru ya ka mena jong ki sebab group tengkat baki wide ki program ki bra pelong hapreng ke jeng phu ke jeng pieng ba ka jeng songset hakani kesni
ladangi poi biang hakabor hau teu arpulai minang penklan susu ya ki skim ki badai baki longkeme baki kenthe balai bengisar realize kan sutu ke kata nama kadi ku syai skim klebe nya ikam lo ni ong tongin ai no ka skim lamba ki longkeme nama kum ma ong yeti ai pisa sanspa tingka mangarok pa ye kene si bos ni ru ite sanspa idang ne khop ai hao kon serang tadi sanspa tingka si tengkata lalu si tengkata dengan ai kene ka sistem jungi kami ong ka matrilineal system ngakrai ka bakam kerpa ka boble la perku kerpa ia kejela jungi beroi bamat ya ong kuno pihak kan kono serang diri long kuno pi babreu kan kono hari long kami sudah bikop kena le kata ikut nak sama rotan supaya lok lagi orang tadi ku gai cuma mak le ya bi betul bawai ya to ki mo matri le ya ak bahe asurok mengi kirang ba tabak koi hayeng ko kami baik dai nak kada mo onti ya kan ka skim ka bakirpang dan bedaki longkemi nginang penklan juju.
It's not about the money alone, but it is the institution and the network that we have created. And today, we are talking to many corporate social responsibility programs, and I'm explaining to them how the self-help groups are working and how government has now pumped in 379 crores. But tomorrow, if any other corporate wants to come in and do programs, then we have a ready-made system to work towards it. I'm also happy to inform you that very, very soon, we will also be having an app for self-help groups. This app will be there on your mobile phones. And through this app, all the 42,000 groups that have been formed, all the 4.5 lakh women that are in self-help groups will all be connected. You will be able to talk to each other. You will be able to share your experiences with each other. You will be able to form different groups and organizations and make different platforms and connect with each other. As a government, we will be able to pass on information to all of you with a click of a button through this powerful app that we will create. So this is something that we will be doing very soon. And once this is complete, it will be most probably one of the biggest and the most powerful tools that this government will have to reach out to every single rural household in the state.
UMP ke Raja Sabha Ubadairu President Jong Kaseng NPP Uba WR Kharlukhi Ula Ong Baga Jing Khang Do Yong Habo Meghalaya Kalakta Shibun E Yagi Ba Jong Kajala Ula Ong Bo Unra Yakani Ka Mat Parliament Ban Pen Paw Ka Jing Prasha Jong U Yakani Ka Kam Uba WR Kharlukhi Ula Thor Bo Unra Mat Parliament Yakamat Ka Be Day Bat Ka Jing Ithui Ka Tien Khasi Bat Garo.
You see, actually I've raised the coal issue twice. It was listed twice, but what happened because of the problems, because of the halagula in the parliament, because of some issue raised by the Congress on this enforcement directorate investigation of that Herald, National Herald or something. So twice, not only twice, I think the whole session most of the thing was adjourned. So I could not make it.
So, but what were you trying to raise there?
The same thing which I've been speaking throughout, that now for almost 8 years, nothing was done on coal. What have my people done that they should deserve this?
Kaseng Indian National Congress kan pelong ya ka Bharat Jodo Yatra ka ban sedang nadu Kanyakumari hadu Jammu Kashmir bar kini kelas sedang menaka hnyau tering mentau benai nai lur mentakas nam arajar apuar. Kabobita Sharma ke General Secretary Kaseng Congress kalai thu bakani ka yatra kan long hadu Shispa san phosngi barkan kinthub hadu lai hajar sanspa kilometer. Kathong jo kani ka yatra kan long ban yakendu bat ki paj ba ban snga ban sngo thu yagi jing e jongki.
Similar vein, on 7th September, we are going to have the Bharat Jodo Yatra. And today the press meet is on the itinerary of the Bharat Jodo Yatra. Main goal of Bharat Jodo Yatra is to take the people of the country, the issues of economic, social and political. As we have seen in the last 8 years since the Modi government has come to power, the promises that were given by the BJP government led by Shri Narendra Modi, people had given him vote with lot of trust, lot of hope. But what have we seen in the last 8 years? That all their hopes and trust have been destroyed. And we have seen that the trust they had in the BJP government, which the people voted to power, has been dismantled one by one. First and foremost, in the economic problem that we are facing now, the most important problem is price rise. At that time, they used to talk about the rise of petrol, the price rise issues. When they were in the opposition, they used to take to the streets. But what do we see now? Now for the common people, petrol has reached more than 100. Price rise is skyrocketing. For everybody, for you and me, for everybody, it's becoming very difficult to even make ends meet in the household. Every housewife, every man who works in an office, every daily wage earner feels the pinch of the skyrocketing prices. And what about the 2 crore jobs every year that they had promised? We don't see anything now. Unemployment has been the highest in the last 45 years. And even now, in every state, unemployment is a big, big issue. And our youths are very, very disheartened with what has been promised to them. So these 2 economic issues we want to take to the people of the country through the Bharat Jodo Yatra. Secondly, we have seen that in the last 8 years, unprecedented social tension in India. Everywhere that you go, you find that there is some kind of communal hatred between people, which is something like an engineered way. We have grown up in an atmosphere of harmony and secularism. You, me, everybody. In our schools, we were taught that unity and diversity. Because India is a country with so many different religions, so many different communities, so many different languages. But now we see that it takes just a small instance of incident to create a spark. Sometimes we feel that this kind of work has been engineered to divert attention from the real issues of price rise, of unemployment, of what they have not been able to deliver to the people as promised in the elections. So in order that people don't question the government, so that people remain engaged in these social tensions, we feel that these are encouraged, that there is a conspiracy to keep people engaged in hatred, in creating animosity between each other. So this is also one issue that we would like to take to the people of India through the Bharat Jodo Yatra.
Ki jing persha ya ka jing thmu jo ka sarkar banwan ra ya ka gram ya khalai ha pori bhoi district kalana yo bor shu ba menta ka kanti u MLA ka NPP Najirang constituency ba sostine sotun ulami shakmat ban persha ka ni ka casino ya ka balathmu ban penyang ha ka jaka ka baha pa po ka Jirang constituency. Ya kani uba sostano so tun ulapan paw ke je kendu bagi nong tho khubor hanong po ha ka ba kamu nong mi khmar ulapan paw ke jing so khia ka bajur
te na kaliang jonga ngala su kendit namar ba ngamdon kanu gono ka jing tip habi dei bakin ka jing perkhat banbu e kene ka sik casino but hadian banglayo e khubor haki arbnai mensua ngalayo banya keren batu batki minister baro nadu honorable chief minister nang tai deputy chief minister habide bat kene ke benta ngalalej hi banya keren bat ngala bu ka jingkarpat sika sarkar ba habide bat ka jingplay casino te na kaliang jongang karpat yaki bakin hab ban perkhat ye ka opinion lene ka view ka jongki pajba namar katkum ka bangiyo he ka khubor baki pajba haka consensi ka jongi haka jela ka jongi kimkwa banwan ka banbu yaken ka casino hakin ki area ka bahap haka consensi ka jongi te hakin ka por naklian jonga kum MLA hoj habangi phai hawide bat kanika plan ka ba kumalami ki khubor ka casino te na kalian jonga ka casino hi ngamtip ka ka bandon ha ka casino henrai katkum ka khubor ka jingkren na ki weipat katkum bangio man kuno na ki weipat kyong ba ha bakawan ka casino kandon ka jingkta na gamta ki hai ki ha ka emlang ka salang ka jingta ki pajba te na kalian jonga kum unong mikmat ubahab ha ka consensi nga persajur ha dei bat kene ka benta bat ngam kwa ba ka sokar kan bu ya kene ka casino haki area ki bahab haka consensi ka jongi bat ngalai yoru ya ka jingkren haka bidai na kaliang I deputy chief minister ba ila ai ka jingbenshai haka ba ka sokar ka klem kwa ka nambu ya ka casino klem kano ka rai lane ka jingmenjur ka jongki pajba
ka Joint Action Committee ya ka bala thung da ka jingthmu ban prisha ya ka jingthmu jong ka sarkar banbu ya ka krami khalaila ne ya ka casino Haribhoi district manha ka sipali jong ka Taiew kala ai da ka dorkhas hominti rangba ka jala konrat ke sama banpen pau ya ka ne ka jing prisha ya ka ne ka jingthmu jong ka sarkar jala kani ka committee ha baya kran bikla pathai khubor kala ong ba jingon ra ka sarkar ni kani ka jakaya khalai kan khata ka jingsngo jong bon balang khamtam kinong lam nyam namar kani kan bu jingma na bakan kelalong ka khatam ka ban pin kerni ye ki babon ha kani ka kambi an
The reply from the chief minister is very positive and it's good. Like you have seen the concern of the people of Haribhoi and the state as a whole, and being a a casino at our district, we are not just not a time for us to be ready, like to compare a state like Sikkim and Goa. So as for now, like we have seen a positive response from CM to stop the license, to give license for the casino.
Hadian ka jingmi ka Khubor ba ba sumarlang swear ubade president youth wing jong ka UDP Haribhoi district ulali ben pinyas no iladi ba kaseng HSPDP mana ka south menta ubanai na kaliang jong kaseng UDP Haribhoi district kilami bat penchai pat ba kani ka Khubor ka long ka Khubor ka balam ler Ubadon bok himdet president ka UDP Haribhoi ulo ong ba sumarlang swear haswa bon le ben pinyas so syakate kaseng HSPDP ulade ban resign shwa na kaseng UDP kamu president youth wing bar kaseng UDP kala yo ban priang ka shithi eno kam jong o nado ka khanyo thri gurum phang jo kasnam arja arpoar ka bamut bo ba sumar dei shu ud khot jang ka UDP nado te ubanai ulong ro bakani ka jing ai jing panchai halor ka ni ka phang ka long bakan me lam baklai ki wei pat ling ba ka te ka Khubor
bringing ko akan panchai kalian juga parti ba sumar swear dei shu ud khot jang UDP ulade resign na ka parti UDP ku presiden jong ka Youth UDP Haribhoi district nadu ka Taiew trik jong banai Februari jong neus nang araja arpuar bad hadin nang tang ulalek penyesok ngi hakikor Khubor social media hane tai bad ka UCPF bad hadin nang tang ngim tip show ingdan dan rei nagaliang jong ka parti UDP jong ka Haribhoi district nisneo ba ban syai lor ni bentang bakal melam bakalan kayak bubun malam ba nagaliang jong uba sumaswel unde shu khot yang begitu mau represent ni om presiden Henry kunjuru buat nak parti jong hidup nak buat tanggal di presiden ni kalau kita syai begitu mau mati atau nasional ini nanti ba kalau ba buat apa pau ni no nak parti kemudian menyelamat lain mereka dia memang apa bersih apa baik pada kalau tiba dalam kor badan ini buat
Ki nohikai jongga Pine Mount Higher Secondary School Shillong menhakan treatment tau benai kila pelong ya kejeng ki da kaba ra ya kala mayong hapo ki mencem jongga ni school.
Thu begini ki nohikai rengkat kejeng kerjaan lang ki kimi ki kma kila ra lamayong bat penpau kejeng persia nambar kejeng menti ke sarkar ya kejeng dawa ke baper ke jongki ha ke badi kejeng ya bagi kendu kom kini kai ha kan di ke school.
Hindi berok madai namar ka ki grievances jongi ki bangila submit ka government mentala kaya sila do khata de ka government kamshim lale ai hadu bani ka pon ina ka daw kum ki nong kai ngidan ka jingkit clear nakapata ka school ngidang yai up ya ka government inre ka government kamshim le ai so ngidang hadu menta idon ka ka jing smo no minsim nakapata ka school ngimtip ka ai ka bangi day banle. This is our first step kabangi shim bangin yeng ni kataru ngim shim penduk kelas yaki kena bilik shim kelas ni apa tu kapor kabagi kena kin meet na school bat bangin penpau ya ni ke berapa la anda kain dia meski kita kicin ni la submit sa ka government di ni kwa ba ini kali na ka government.
Kasing Hinyotrap Integrated Territorial Organization HITO menhakami jongka Henry treatment tau benai kelayo ban kem khat pratali ki trok kit doyong bat baro kini ki khat pratali ki trok ki dei ki bela penya da kata kenhun bela jutip kum ka high level
ya kini ki trok layo ban kem bat korup ringkat bau doyong haga po bagi ya ka surok ba na juai bagi temu bande chapo kawati hari ngi juga korup ni kini ki trok ringkat bagi jing phra jong ki driver na kalyam je ki neram jong ka hitu habe ken bagi dak pathai khubor manta ka sngi kan jote jong nai luar arja ar kle thu bagi dak ujor daka FIR se ki pulit makane ka jing kem ki jong ki ye kini ki trok kalong ru man pen phai ban jubab ya ka jing bu jing kli jong ba preston man semedan ye kita ki kali ke duyong jong kita ki high level
ni na kalian jong HITO sengkme hadin bangi kami ka statement nei Deputy CM sembut menteri rangba jong ka Meghalaya bopong ba ki kita ke high level but hangno ki don pura di sebut kisaki kenang bakin pensistem tengi na kalian jongi ngela le ka operation minin me hadu minum step sau beji tengi layo ban kami ki trok san potli but babun kila pet tengi la FIR hapo murun keneng PS kumbakat prateli ya hakani kaja nyempet pat ya ka sarkar ladakan pensistem syana em yakini ki high level bagaimana kita rok mengidan di video clips video evidence pengisung dei ba yakini ki video pat ki evidence ni deban ai hakilat pathai khobor kabala itu ke sarkar kabala approve badai kani kamde ke social media kamde ke YouTube te lingba kalat pathai khobor ngin pen i pai ba bakamdan ke jing thok ke jing squad ba ngila lap shab ki don ke high level ki ba pensio but khai tu yu doyong
Yong ngeri yong ni yam.
Yang dendang.
Kaya lun.
Yang.
Yo pelaj me.
Tebra yang ngai ya.
Hayan trim.
Ha?
Hayan trim.
Yang tre lah yang high level kan.
High level yo hayo high level sen trim.
Tebra ira yang hak ira. Zaman orang yang high level lah, orang high level ni wan le.
Teman mana poi sanat kamu lem? हाँ?
Assalamualaikum। आप बताइए हाई लोग का किसका एंट्री होता है उसको बता दीजिए सर।
Halo. Oi. Oi. Oi Gong. Oh, yang pi ni gemuk gitu Gong. Oh, ini antri bi Gong. Oh ya? Taiew. Taiew yang kurkong yur ka nambar bini. Oh, emang nambar geri bini saya Taiew ya mai. Oh, Taiew ya entry saya ya tu Taiew. Tu high level. Oh, pila high level entry bhi. Oh, teman lerong tu khar pe gamte yang high level na ta. Oh, made entry bi high level pe ya. Oh, ta bi ada entry bi high level ta tu sap ta.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Aku lama dak nak hak noh.
Lun biu.
Diati.
Diati. Oh, yang mulun.
Tip itu. Bukit Bahara Malik.
Iya entry bi.
Tip kira ni inang strip larang ni pas strip tenang.
Te pulis kan no su bi.
Eru tip di entry cua gitu.
Ya entry bi.
Tip kira ni. Di nomor cua gitu.
Kalau dia Malik mau me.
Malik mau hab.
Madai uhab ni nu. Hot madai pisah cua bi. Ya Malik mi. Po. Metri mi high level. Metri bi high level me rumah.
High level vậy nong là gì?
Ngini kalian jongi ngila dep submit ke FAR buat ki police officer concern kila receive je copy of FAR buat ngini kalian keseng. Ngin le je kepada kam ngin yaj ke buat bahalor buat bantit hadu jing thang jong ding bisar. Ngim salia tang benta ban yo je ke jing bisar ke bahok buat ban labdin ya kini ki boy sianti jong sarkar ban persyang ban darab job ya kini ki ki jing tersi pok jelas ni. But ka sakaway ngisnoban ang ba imat bahkan ni ka sarkar MDA kalau thaulut ha baro kita ki jenit ki jenan bikin download kita ki high level imat wat ha administration ha ka policing lani ha kinu department kani ka sarkar imat kala download kita ki high level ha benta baro khoi te kani ka lam ka ek penunga ban ngisno persyak jodi kani ka jing le jong sarkar ban thau ye kita ki high level lani kita ki ba penyaj kini kam bian.
Menakasngi pratarik pat kaseng HITO kalale ban aida ka jing tho sha president jong kaseng BJP uba Ernest Mauri ban kintu ye kaseng BJP bakan penlong da ka jing to kit halor ki kambam sap pher khamtam ki tu ki badan hapok ani ka sarkar MDA.
Haba kena bikin lap thai ke boy kini geram jo kaseng hitu ke laong bana kalyang jong unungelam ka BJP uba Ernest Mauri ulah kular bana kalyang jo ka BJP mekhlia kasakan bikin ngelam Delhi man phak toket iki kamam sap ba kecela.
Ngayok pediang dang mentan ngan puli beri ayah kah? Bat ya ke bangi day banle, ngin ha banle kat kum ka jing dawa jo kesen jong pin mar ngit skam ba kini ki jing tho ba PI ka ba ka win ki map ba kwa ka CBI inquiry bat ki we de te nakaliang jong ngaru kum state president ngin sim PI ka ni baladon kam man pha jing tho sport sha Khubor beri bentuk sport Delhi ro han pha balari man pha sha government bo mi gelar pha te phap ban ai bor ba mi sa communicate ba de
Nakalian juga hitu par kelapan pau berada ka BJP kamla pan pau kami ai apo je kini Taiew nakalian juga sangga sem degi par kelak lenti ban pentikna ba ke jing mamsa pa kajala ontoket da kini Khubor.
Bat nila ay kini ka dorkas habi day bagan ni dawaya baka CBI inquiry bat ka enforcement directorate halor ki skandal ki bafer ka skandal hi kabnungkong ye ka bomentau snem ni kran ye kene ka coal scam lana ta ka duyong ka social welfare department rice scam subhagya scam ISBT scam ka new assembly building scam EDC fund scam smart meter scam smart city scam scam in purchase use of police vehicles in the headquarter dai halor kine ni la ye kran bat nakaliang jong president jong ka BJP jong ka state jong mekhliaru ula ai ka commitment bun shem kya bun pha no shadal hi but in up kato kan ni sngi da ke hapo stayo te lada kani ka BJP kamla le ban le yeng te ngin meneng la da krani uru basai bangin wat ko appointment pom ministry affair bangin ya kendo yo menteri korbari Amit Shah te ni don jengkermen baga nakalian ko BJP kan wanra ya kata ka CB yang inquiry bat ke ID bat kimdei rupan long kum tu slap kum perthat rekyang ban syukudur Henry Slapat
Kalkanhun Youth Wing Jongka Sing Trinamool Congress manhaka pratrik mentau benai kalapelong ya gajing sya thangan bandawa ya arteli ki mat jing dawa ka jongki kini ki samla klei thu baka daw ba ka bakila peloi ka ni gajing sya thangan ka dei baki kwa baka sarkar jalla kan pen bahawat pen bej ha ka bei dei bar ka puli ka puthi bar ka wei par ka dei baka rukam thum kam kan long ka basai bar ka bakhoin.
Our hunger strike today is being organized by concerned students. Now I thank all of our members here, all my friends who are, have been here hungry. We are standing in front of a restaurant, so we've been seeing people coming in and out this whole time. But in the rain, we've just been standing here demanding for two things: for a more better management of our education spectrum, and for transparent recruitment system.
So if you can tell us how long this hunger strike will go on?
This hunger strike is the first step towards our. This hunger strike is the first step towards our aim for these two objectives. So this is step 1. Step 2 will come soon, and that's why we are calling forward for all the concerned students of the state. Please join us. Please come be a part of us, because we are here, even though all of us here are from Trinamool Congress, we are here as concerned students of the state. We are all Khasi, Jantia, Garo, we are all here. We are residents of the state. We are concerned. We are here beyond the party actually. You can see in the hunger strike also, this banner, we have not kept any political symbol. Why? Because we are trying to unite all the youths to fight for justice. For so long we faced injustice. How many times have we applied for jobs since 2018? For 20-30 jobs we've applied. Till date, no exams. We've paid all the exam fees. Till date, no exams. What is this, yeah? We cannot accept this anymore. When our Honorable Chief Minister already declared that there are 200 vacant posts in the police department in the assembly. When another group of concerned students had their protest near Kyangnongba statue, the Honorable Minister called them to Secretariat, and the Honorable Minister told them that there are 800 vacant posts. Where are the rest 1200 posts? Backdoor entry. It's an open secret backdoor entry in our state. That's why we are demanding a more transparent recruitment system. And the rules and regulations of such are already there. In the UPSC, SSC, it's applicable. We demand that MPSC also applies the same rules. That there should be a fixed date for every exam, that the marks of the students are out there in the public, and what are the criteria for grading in the interview system, in the interviewing process. All these things have to be out in public. Then we can get a more transparent recruitment system. For how long will we just sit and accept injustice being done to us? You can no longer fool us. As the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister said, they'll just fool us. For every 5 years, they just fool us. No longer you can fool us, because our parents have worked so hard for us. They've given everything for us. They've sacrificed for us. That's why we will no longer accept these leaders like the Deputy Chief Minister to fool us anymore. No longer. We will stand for our justice.
Managasni sandarik mentau benai nailur hajar apuar ka sarkar Meghalaya kalapanlong ya gajing rakhe ya ka Teachers Day lani gasni bekerpang jongkino hikai kabahan ripuwe bari kan gajing rakhe lapanlong ha ususatham auditorium Shillong. Hagani kasngi kongsan ulalong balak menremboi menteri katanat puli puthi jaka sarkar jala la samri ke khusnam shi khatlai ngot ki nahi kai haga kerdan state level but chalai pulai ngot ki wei par ki nahi kai ki blasha ajit haga district level Haganegasi la sakhilang ru de kiwe rangba officer chaknar puli puthi jo kajala ki bakintup yu Amro CH Marak Secretary Education u Dr BDR Tiwari Commissioner but Secretary chaknar puli puthi kajala lambar kiwe de
The State Award for Teachers Education Teachers Day 2022. She was a recipient of the District Award for Teachers in the year 2020. And now, Srimati Cinnamon Gurba is conferred the State Award for being an excellent teacher and a mentor to everyone in this field. The tireless the State Award for Teachers and Education of Teachers Day 2022 and better human beings. A recipient of the District Award for Teachers in the year 2019.
We will try to do this trial because, as I said, nobody is personal, everything is professional. We are going to try to solve the issues at hand. That is not the case. But having said that, I'm very happy. I have a team from DSU office, directorate, and the secretary who always understand what is needed to be done, who always know what is needed to be done. We try to do many things. I in his government go into the records that have tried to do its best. How many years the students' scholarship is targeted? But on this corner, from the next scholarship from primary level till postgraduate level, you see how many years nobody revises. But we try to do it. Tell me the last college within the offshore taken over by the government or financially given by the government for the last 10-15 years. But this government, 9 colleges have given people's college and minimum. Not only that, we are trying to expand. Ramjet College under budget operation. Pathakama College is under budget operation. And also many others. Teachers cries frustrated about salary or service condition. But it's very sad to say that government every school, because they have no votes, many of the school building, the condition is there. But this government, we try to improve more than 100 schools.
Managasngi pratri mentau benai nailur ajar arpu ar lapalat pat ba yakakot bala aikerteng Meghalaya boundary based on Northeastern Area Reorganization Act 1971. Yakani kakot lapermi dak SP News Agency ba lapalat pat ba yakado ba VJK Kinta Senior Advocate High Court Jongkajala Meghalaya.
Akani Khubor and declared launching of this book, Meghalaya Boundary, based on the Northeastern Areas Reorganization Act 1971. Akani ka August gathering declare open yakani ka book. Kalatho they starving para kasi. They nga kwa ban kentu iki journalists both from the print and electronic media ba makiru kide ban lai jong iboit isap hili ban yasay kam da mod ba fiya ban chu ai dang ki Khubor shi ki pai ba niru kum ki pai ba ni kwa ban yo ki got ki ba kum bai ba staffing bai palai ban ba la palai ban ta ka janme Te hakaju kapor ngakwa banong ba kane ka issue ka bade ka boundary dispute happening ka Assam bat ka Meghalaya. Ngao ye fi ba kade ka issue ka belong very touchy to the judgment rio khasi jantia. Te nadu ki khamen shwa nga ong ba shwa ban khtakti ka boundary man settle. Kadon kadi banda don shwa ka jingya me jumul kada dai shwa ban don ka ground zero investigation. Kamla ban shulong tang hante ha swing bakilai leung te na swing bat kilai kendo kilai disha kilai ya hapadeng arut ki menteri rang ba ha so ka tu ka kam ka ba kilale ka ba shirkai ba ka ba ta ba ya ka jai ben riu ka jangi kumbai yong ba monak land is very secret to any community but ni ngasau sarang manong ba ka jai ben riu jangi ki babun hi ki don la ka dong ka yeng ka sam ka chaka ka puta handai ngai thu ye phi ba manta ki landless ki la bon ha ki landless families ki la jurs ba pala namar kala ban ka ka poverty
Hashwa bangin pinkut in pinsobia shapia ki pangi bokong san sa shisian Hadin ninyo post nam on your an bat kendo bapura ki pat khasi Onra u president ke NPP ha parliament ya ka jingkhang doyong ha jila Meghalaya Kular ka sarkar ban pinsange no ya ka jingthmu banwan ra ya ka casino Hariboi district Ra la mayong kinohi ka school Pine Mount bamsngap ka sarkar ya kijinge Khat pratali ki trok doyong high level kem ka hito Rakhi ka sarkar ya sneaker pangi kinohi kai La palat pat ba ikakot ka bay de bad puru sam ka jila Meghalaya Bad kibay de ki Khubor Badai gitu input kot noi kini ketup Khubor kini Taiew mentang yang sia syam yang mat pi baro ha katai koi pat ka Taiew ke banwan kubli pi baro bat hias